Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys. Welcome back to another Unplanned video. Today we are heading down to pick up the hire car. It's currently Friday the 22nd of September, 7:45 AM, and we're just going to go to the train station, pick up the car. Let's get it. Right, so we've picked up our rental car. Well, we haven't yet, we're just waiting at the 6th office. It's just in the car wash now, but pretty easy process, straightforward. So we had an issue with our rental car not being full, so they gave us this instead. See it, Cupra, absolute bells and whistles. So we're in the car now and we've decided to name him Ivan. We're just following the sat nav and we'll have to turn left and then we're on our way to Predjama Castle. Let's go! Right, we've just pulled up in Ivan. We're just coming into a hopper just to get some supplies for the road trip. I'll tell you what, this car is absolutely beautiful. Quick little tour. Everything is just automatic, lane guidance, everything. Beautiful little car, Ivan. Well done. Good job, Ivan. Good job. Right, we've arrived at Predjama Castle. First stop. Let's check it. There it is, the world's largest castle inside a cave. Stunning. That is absolutely breathtaking. Look at it. I'm going to send the drone up once this guy's finished with his drone. Right, Predjama Castle ticked off. We didn't go underneath or in the cave or in the castle itself because we've got so much planned today. We've only got the car for one day, so we're just maximising what we can. But there is a vivarium, the underground cave, underground river and castle tour, but we didn't bother because we just have to be on the road. So back into Ivan and on to the next stop, which is going to be Vintgar Gorge. Back into Ivan. Let's go. Listen to this Slovak beats.
You're not in Slovenia.
Listen to these Slovenian beats. We have arrived at Vintgar Gorge. The drive was stunning, but it's just started raining, so hopefully it's going to clear through. But look at what we can see already. Look at the water. Just look at that water.
I'm scared in case I get stuck.
It's like whack-a-mole, look. We've got our tickets, €10 each to enter, but it looks so incredible. Yeah. No push chairs, no whatever he's doing, and no drones. So just to show, this is what it's like terrain-wise. She did say just stay to the left because the right side's a little bit slippery today, so don't want to be slipping into the gorge. Look at this. know what, I honestly think we've got lucky with this weather because it's got like a misty, spooky, eerie vibe. But this place, nuts! This is a path all the way around. It's like a little bridge. We've walked about 50 meters from the start. It is nuts here, absolutely nuts. Look at that. Size of that fish, and then you can see there's like a whole tree on the bottom that must have just fell from up here. Incredible place. What on earth is this little guy?
Let's leave him, and I think he's frightened.
So they must control the flow coming down here. But what a place this is, honestly. Look at that. Right, looks like we're at the end of our walk now. So we'll just have 6 or 7 lash goes and then get back on the road. Not really. We're just walking back now and it's really started raining, but look at this tunnel. I'm glad we got to enjoy all of that before the rain. Like, I don't mind walking back in the rain now. It's actually quite refreshing. What a beautiful place. Well worth the €10 entry fee. You know that scene in Jurassic Park when they're in the car and they start hearing the thunder and lightning? Just saying. That's exactly how it feels right now. There's any raptors up here. Forest. What a beautiful place. Just waiting for the next rumble of thunder to happen while we're walking up in the rain. Did you hear the rumble of thunder? Hopefully there'll be another one while I'm saying my little piece. Look at that. It's like Costa Rica or something right now. Beautiful though. Starting to get a bit brighter now, but look at those clouds. They are fantastic. I'm going to get a little time lapse. Actually, forget a time lapse. I'm going to have to stand there too long. Just look at them clouds. Appreciate them for what they are. Look. Whew. We're just heading back towards the car now. Up this beautiful little path. But it is really raining now. We made it up to the top. And look at this. So you can pray you get back safe. We're back to where we started. Whew. All birds, all terrain. They do have a gift shop where you buy the tickets and toilets just there. That's on the way in. But now we're heading back to the car. Look at that, the road is absolutely flooded. Well, that was quite an interesting drive up here. The weather turned shocking, but look at this. This is the prettiest lake that all the Slovakian people, sorry, this is the lake all the Slovenian people have told us to come to instead of Bled. Look at it. Little Ivan handled that rain so well. Go on, Ivan.
How can I get me?
I mean, we've got to go and have a look, right? We're this close. Right, we're just dropping little Ivan off now for the night. That's him done. You've been great. What do you think, Pam?
It's been amazing.
See you later, little guy. Right, so we're just dropping Ivan off now. Just going over, sure there's no damage. Spotless, spotless. Spotless, spotless.
Have you seen the lights?
Where? Oh yeah, from the wing mirrors. Right, we've dropped little Ivan off. He's tucked up in bed, and now we're gonna have a couple of beers just to unwind because that rain was pretty heavy earlier. So we're just gonna chill and then plan where we're going tomorrow. So come along while we finish the night. So just enjoying a little lash go and at Hip Wop, waiting for the food to come out now. What a good day. We've got these to try, Nutella and white chocolate pancakes. I'm just going to try one now. Or is it? Look how busy this street is tonight. Look. So busy. Last look at Dragon Bridge in the castle. Just waiting to cross. Okay, we've made it to Belvedere Park. My hat just blew down the street and Pam went chasing after it right in front of the Daniel Hotel. So